Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common networking problem that many users face. So picture this. You set up a bridge br0 in your network interfaces file for your VM on KVM, but you're running into a little hiccup. Your VM can access the internet just fine, but your host seems to be playing hard to get with other computers outside the local network. Frustrating, right? This problem is preventing you from even SSHing into your host from external devices. Now, let's talk about the solution to this networking conundrum. The key lies in tweaking the values of the network and gateway parameters in your network interfaces file. By using a trusty Windows 7 machine, you discovered that for your specific case, both these values should be set to 192.168.1.1. In Windows 7, these values correspond to IPv4 DHCP server and IPv4 default gateway, respectively. A little Windows magic goes a long way, huh? In a nutshell, the magic fix for your networking headache boils down to adjusting the network and gateway settings in your network interfaces file to 192.168.1.1. Once you make this tweak, your host should be reachable from external devices, and you can SSH into it without any pesky no route to host errors. And there you have it, problem solved. And that's a wrap, folks. We've delved into a networking quandary and emerged victorious with the right tweaks in all the right places. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay connected and stay tech savvy.